Hello everyone, I'm back again to do a new project today. And before we start the project, what you had to do, hit the bell icon, subscribe my channel please. We will start our new project now. So everyone, here see, this is the project we are going to do today. It's going to be so fun. And the materials we will be using is few materials like glass paint, some transparent plastic and polymer clay or air dry clay that you can find in your home. So these are the things we will be need to do today's project. Like for example, we will be doing decoration with 3D liners and we will like to have polymer clay or air dry clay. It's up to you which one you will be using. And of course glass paint you will be need. And this will be so nice. Here see, we are going to make a very nice hanging mobile. Its shapes are up to you which shape you want. This one done with a circle, heart and triangle, but the one that I'm going to do is different. I'm going to use a star, butterfly and like this way. So let's keep moving. So yeah, I'm going to do a butterfly and I will do a flower also. If you see, it's very nice. And you can use few colors, it's up to you which colors you want. And the star I will be doing with you guys today. So first you will need is a transparent plastic you will need, and first you will do is you can draw the shape that you want. I already have always print out shapes done, so I will use a star now. Just take a pen or marker pen, anything, go around the outliner. It's very important. If you feel like it will be shaking and you will not do a proper shape, put a masking tape in the edge so while you're doing the outliner, so it will be not moving. Wow, done with the outliner. So here see, I did the star. If you can see, it's the outline is already done like this way. See? Now you can cut it out whatever you don't need, for example. So there's a big piece, I will keep it for another project. So go around it and you can cut it out. Like this way. You see, this is the star. So done. Because you're using glass paint, make sure you put something old in your background. Don't do it over a good table or anything, it can damage, and I'm pretty sure mom will not like it. So I'm going to just keep a paper something like this way and just keep it away, and use glass paint. Always use two colors, it's totally fine, because when you blend in two colors together, third color will come. Like here you have used green and light green and blue, you can see, and here few colors like orange, yellow, and the edges done with purple. So it's up to you how many colors you want to use, but I'm going to use only two colors. I always shake my glass paint. If not, most of the time the thick layer will be in the bottom, so I will shake it and use. So you will use a cotton bud and go up and down like this way. Bubble effect it will come. It's like you stamping it. So this is the effect you should have when you stamping, because it's a circle line. That's the effect you will get. So full star, the way you like, you can stamp it. It's very nice when you finish, and once it get dry you hang in the sun. It's very pretty. So it should be almost come like, because I'm trying to do the edges in yellow color, and I will be doing middle part in maybe orange color. If you like, you can always use 2 or 3 colors, but the best option is glass paint for you to use. It will be lasting very nice. Glass paint is much more thinner than porcelain paint, so you can always use glass paint. It's giving a nice effect. So I'm going to use the same cotton bud back side with orange color. So now your art piece should be look like this way. See, it's already colored with 2 colors. This is the effect you will have in your art piece. I will keep the cotton bud in the side, and always cover the bottle that you're using. Next step will be 3D liners. So I have yellow color, and I have this, I like to use 3D glow in the dark. It's kind of much more nice, and I will be using that one. The shapes you can do the way you like. So the decoration as you like, you can do like in the butterfly. I did nice liners, if you see, like that way. Even in the flower I made different shapes, if you can see. So same thing I will do in the star, but it's still not dry, so I'm not going to touch it now. Leave it in the side. But once you finish, you need to use a puncher, make a hole in the up and the bottom part, because you will need to hang polymer clay. So first you will make a hole in the up and bottom here. So first you will need polymer clay. You can use normal polymer clay or air dry clay, as I said to you. You can use it, mold it like this way. So once your work is done, you can cut the shapes that you like, or if you have something like already shapes like stars or hearts or anything, you can use those ones and cut any shape that you will be like. So I just cut a triangle, but the shapes that you want to cut, you can cut it, and make sure before you put to the oven, you need to use a pin something and make a hole here. So you can put the thread here. For example, this one I cut a flower shape, and I make sure before I bake it, I made a hole here, so I can put the thread on this one and tie. So once my work is done, one part, the top part, I will put a thread for the stick, and there will be another part in the bottom I will use for the polymer clay. So I will put this one inside and tie this one. Once you finish, whatever unwanted thread you can cut. You can use normal yarn. If you don't have embroidered thread, you can use normal yarn. And use a barbecue stick. It's fine. So I use a barbecue sticks. I kept 2 sticks together and tie together. So I will use one now here. Once the star is dry, I will make it hang also, but at the moment I will only do the flower and the butterfly because it's already dry, but not the star. And you need one thread to the up here, to the hanging part here. This is. So this one is the piece that will go to the wall or into the roof. You can hang it, you can tie it in the both side and hang it up. So that's the reason we will cut tie here and here, then it will be done. So my so I'm going to tie this one here. So don't tie it all to the same size. Make one up, other one little bit down, like that way. Yep. So this is the two at the moment I did. I will, once the star will be dry, I will hang it that also. So it should be look like this way now. But make sure you hang this one somewhere you can have sun. So once the sun come into this, it's going to be so pretty. And this one here, see, the polymer clay I hanged on the bottom, and then I did the plastics. And then if you have big wooden sticks, it's fine. If you don't have barbecue stick, you can pick something from the garden, nice branches, dry branches, clean it up, and then you can use a ribbon to hang it like this way. So then normal thread is total fine. And here, see, this is not equal, too long, too short, like that way. So make sure you do random size. It's total fine, and it look nice when you make random size. And the decoration, as I said to you, you can do anything with 3D liner. See, it's so pretty. So you don't need to do the same decorations, just lines, dots, hearts, shapes, anything you can make out of it. So first thing you have to do, I will repeat, you take a transparent plastic, keep it on a drawing, or you can do your own drawing also. Draw it with a pen or marker pen, something with that, and use a glass paint and cotton bud. You can do the decoration. Once your paint is done with glass paint, leave it to dry. Do with the 3D liners, decoration, whatever you want, and make sure you put 2 holes, one for the stick, one for the polymer clay in the bottom. So once it's done, you can hang it like this way. I hope you guys enjoyed today's lessons, and I will make sure my star will be dry, then I will take a picture and upload it. Thank you so much for watching me. See you tomorrow again with a new project.